In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign tasks in Practice Better. Tasks in Practice Better give your clients clear, actionable commitments, and they keep everything organized in one place. We'll walk through creating a task, adding the key details, and making sure your client is notified. Whether you're assigning a simple follow-up or a multi-step action, the process is the same. The goal is to capture the what, the why, and the when in a format your client can easily find. Start inside Practice Better by opening the client's profile. Go to My Clients, choose the client you're working with, and then open the Tasks and Reminders tab on their profile. This is where all of that client's to-dos and reminders live, so it's the perfect place to create something new and review what's already assigned. Next, look for the Fast Action button, usually a circular button in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click it, then choose Create a task for your client. This opens a pop-up where you'll add the task details. Give the task a clear name. Think short and specific, like log meals for 3 days or complete intake questionnaire. Use the notes field for optional instructions or context your client may need. This is a great place to add links, short how-tos, or expectations, so they're never guessing what done looks like. Set a due date and time so the task appears on their radar with an exact timeline. Choose something realistic that aligns with your care plan. If you're working across time zones, double-check that the time is correct for your client. You can also add a reminder here. Reminders are optional, but they're helpful nudges before a due date, especially for longer tasks. When everything looks good, save the task. As soon as you save, your client will receive a notification by email or in their portal, depending on their notification settings. The task automatically appears in their portal under Tasks and Reminders, and you'll see it listed in the same section of their profile, so you both have a shared view. That's it. A clear title, helpful notes, a realistic due date and time, and an optional reminder are all you need to keep clients moving forward. Use consistent naming and concise instructions to make tasks feel achievable, and review this section during sessions to celebrate progress and adjust timelines when needed. Over time, this consistency helps clients build momentum and makes your workflow smoother. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly how to create and assign tasks in Practice Better, so your clients always know what to do next.